Hello everyone, this is Minghan. Today video I would like to show you my favorite TubeBuddy feature that could bring more view, more watch time, or even subscriber. Okay, let's start. Okay, right now I'm on my screen. So finding the best time to publish your video is critical to get more view on YouTube. So in here, if we go to analytics and audience, we could see some information right here. For example, the dark is more viewer. But if we have some schedule, for example, live or our post time, which time that best post, let's talk about it and I will show you in TubeBuddy. So if you have TubeBuddy installed, come right here, check link in the description for the link to install and another TubeBuddy tutorial. So just click here and best time to publish, and then it calculates based on our data right here. So it comes to interesting part in here, the upload section, and we have live stream section. Okay, the upload section, if I upload one a week, only one a week, so the recommend is Monday and 4 p.m. But I will tell you another trick that can get better result. But if we go daily, for example, if you want every day, they have calculate which is the best time to post. Mean that when we post at that time, it could reach more our audience, but not guarantee view. We need to think about our topic, our thumbnail, especially our thumbnail. Okay, let's go to live stream. Also live stream on Tuesday and every day. But if I do live stream or I just no more upload, for example, twice a week, which time and the best? For example, you can start on Tuesday and Friday and keep the rest. That is one of the best. Or Monday, Wednesday and Fridays if you have 3. But one best thing is, for example, 4 p.m. here, the best thing is to publish it half or 1 hour before that time, so you can reach more audience. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. Okay, bye bye.